Hi guys, this is Dallas Christopher with your 2-minute tip for today. I'm here at Private Label Extensions and let's talk about shampooing and conditioning your extensions. Think about your own hair. Your own hair is exposed to all the elements, and if it's exposed to moisture, it's going to swell up. If it's exposed to dry heat, it's going to become dry and brittle. Well, the same thing will happen with your extensions. So let's give it the same love. Think about shampooing it with a hydrating shampoo that's going to be moisturizing, that's going to deliver the best moistures into that hair shaft. Also, think about conditioning and doing the same thing by restoring it, making the hair more resilient. Now, I also say this, when you're choosing products, think about your hair extensions or even your hair like it's a sponge. It needs all of that moisture. And when it needs that moisture, a sponge will suck up all the water until it's filled up and then it repels water. Well, that's the same thing with your hair. Let's fill it up the best way we possibly can with anything that's hydrophilic, and then turn around and use a product that's on top of that, which is lipophilic, which is oil-based, that's going to cover and seal, something that's silicone that's going to hold everything in. Then blow dry and style as normal. And so you're going to have a better longevity with your hair being in its style because you've already set it up for success. So there's your 2-minute tip for today, guys. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye-bye.